The results of the Lok Sabha elections have been quite surprising and historic. The India Alliance's unexpected performance, winning 234 seats, has obstructed the BJP's Char So Par campaign. Despite winning fewer seats, the Narendra Modi-led National Democratic Alliance has secured a third consecutive term, but with a weaker mandate. Modi's third term will heavily rely on alliance partners such as the Telugu Desam Party and the Janata Dal United, making Chandrababu Naidu and Nitish Kumar the kingmakers in the election. This new scenario raises questions about how BJP's key programs may be affected in the new government and its coalition dynamics. One such program is the Uniform Civil Code, a long-standing agenda for the BJP. The party views UCC as a modern approach to civil rights and has actively pursued its implementation, even at the state level. However, its allies have varying stances on the UCC. The JDU is not opposed to the UCC but emphasizes the need for consensus, while the TDP has expressed reservations, particularly concerning the Muslim community's interests. Another program, the Agnipath scheme introduced by the Modi government, is facing scrutiny from alliance partners. The JDU has called for a review of the scheme due to resentment in several states, and others, like Chirag Paswan of the Lok Janshakti Party, support this call for review. The BJP's agenda for One Nation One Poll is also under scrutiny as the JDU has extended support for simultaneous elections, emphasizing reduced financial burden and political stability. On the other hand, the TDP's position on this matter remains unclear. Therefore, the outcomes of these discussions and negotiations within the coalition will determine the course of these key programs in the new government. As India enters this uncharted territory of a Modi-led coalition, the ability of the BJP to navigate the differing perspectives of its alliance partners will be critical in shaping the policy direction of the new government.